0 guys is DTE siya. So DTA, so yun gagamitin is the last usable IP address. Okay, so the last usable IP address 172.16.7.194. So 172.16. Ano yun? Router 194, 16.7.194. 7.194. Subnet mask, okay? Subnet mask of /30 po guys. Ano yung subnet mask na /30? Pag-check nga po sa subnetting table niyo guys. Then, can you raise your hand para ikaw may sumagot? Okay, Mr. Mendez.
Sir, /30 po ba?
Yes.
Sir, kwan po. 255.255.255.252.
252. Okay, that's correct. So for the default gateway, okay, so the default gateway. So again, in serial port 0 guys, the default gateway. So as you can see, the connection is router to router already guys. So wala na pong default gateway yan. Okay, wala na pong default gateway. Ang usually na ginagamit dyan na IP address is the public IP address po guys. Okay, public IP address. So from this table, yung serial port 0 under router 1, ang ilalagay natin sa default gateway is not applicable. ANA, guys. Okay, then serial port 1 of our router 1. Router 1, ang may connection lang is yung serial port 0. So yung serial port 1 is walang connections. That's why we will put here guys, not applicable, not applicable, not applicable. Okay, so that's how. Okay, so we identified what are the IP addresses in each port of the router guys. Now, for router 2 naman. Okay, so anyone? Pass Ethernet 0 under router 2. So pass Ethernet 0 is under R2. That is under local area network where PC3 is belong. So 484 hosts. So for 84 hosts, this is the subnets. Okay? So, tandaan po ninyo guys. Then mamaya, magtatanong po ako sa inyo yung mga hindi pa sumasagot patawagin ko. Okay, so let's proceed. What will be the IP address under R2 pass Ethernet 0 guys? Anyone? Okay, so I will be the one to call now. Miss Abad? Miss Abad? Absent?
Sir,
Okay, Miss Abad, what will be the IP address under the port 0 under router 2?
sir, wait.
Okay,
Sir, 172.16.4.1.
16.4.1. Okay, 480, 110. Okay, 110. Saan na yun? 484. Router 2 na. 484 is 672, 16.4.1. Then, subnet mask is 484/23. Is Abad?
Sir, sa subnet mask po, 255.255.255.0 po.
/23. Try to check your subnet table. Paano yung /23? Tama ba? /23?
255.255.254.0 po.
254?
Opo.
254.0. Okay? /23. 255.255.254.0. Okay? Correct? Next.
Tapos 170.16.4.1 po.
4.1. Okay? That's it. Thank you, Ms. Abad. Correct. Next. Pass Ethernet 1. Yung ang dali-dali. Mr. Benilio. Sa Benilio? Kera?
Sir, 172.16.6.1 po.
Okay, check natin ha. R2. Sa router 2, pass Ethernet 1 is not connected.
Ay, fast.
Oh, so anong ilalagay natin?
Sir, patingin po ulit.
Router 2. Yung pass Ethernet 1 hindi po connected. Walang connection yung support.
Sir, NA po.
Okay. Yan. So here is
NA po.
not applicable. Not
Not
applicable.
applicable din.
Or no attachment. No, not applicable po. NA. Okay? Did you get? Okay? Nakuha po? Next. For serial port 0 guys under router 2. What will be the IP address, subnet mask, and also the gateway? Tapos na yata si Ms. Sobido kanina pa. Nagsalita na yata kanina. Tapos, yes, Ms. Sobido, di ba? Tapos ka na kanina. Yung iba naman. Guys. Okay, Ms. Trudel Rizali. Ms. Trudel Rizali. Absent? Absent siya? Si Rodel Rizali? Absent? So, i-absent na natin doon sa attendance. Saan yung attendance ng black? Ito. Ms. Rodel, okay, the day is 15. Rodel Rizale, wala? Absent? Rodel Rizale, absent? Rodel Rizale, absent?
Sir, ano
po yan, sir. Umihi po
Okay.
kasi ako.
Okay. Sige, pasensya na. Okay, what will be the
Sorry po.
question? So, ang question po is, what will be the IP address and subnet mask and default gateway of serial port 0 under R2? Okay, from the topology, R2, yung connection niya, yung serial port 0 niya is DCE. Okay, so what will be the IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway of serial port 0 under router 2? Ano po? Is sabi. La, Mr. Del Rizale? Yung oras mo, 2:34.
Sir, wait lang. Sir, 172.16.7.
Wait lang. 172.16.
16.7.
172.16.7.
That 193.
193.
Opo. Then,
193. So check natin, serial port 0. Okay, serial port 0 is DCE. So we will go to router 1. Router 1. So the first usable IP address is 172.16.7.193. That is correct. Okay. Then subnet mask.
sir, ano po? 255.255. That 255. That 252.
Yeah, correct. Default gateway.
Sir, NA po.
NA. Okay. Thank you, Ms. Rudelas. Ms. Rudel. Okay. Next, router 2, serial port 1. Yeah, Mr. Dimagan.
Dinig po, sir.
Yeah.
Yung sa IP address po, ano po? Sa 172.16.7.197.
That 197. Okay, let's check. Serial port 1. Wait lang yun. 16.7.197. So let's check first. Serial port 1 under R2 is DCE. So punta tayo sa second router. First usable IP address is 172.16.7.197. That is correct. Okay, so subnet mask.
Sa subnet mask po, 255.255.255.252 po.
252. Okay, thank you. Okay, default gateway.
Ano po, not applicable po siya.
Not applicable. Okay. So we already, thank you, Mr. Limagan. We already identified what are the IP address, okay, for the ports connected under router 2 and the ports that are not connected in router 2. Okay, then router 3. Okay, Miss Antolin. Pass Ethernet 0.
172.
Okay, check mo natin. Pass Ethernet 0 is under PC4. Okay, so what will be the IP address?
172.16.6.1.
6.1. Okay. So pass Ethernet 0 is under 53 host. 53 host is the first usable IP address is 172.16.7.129. Miss Antonin. Ito pass Ethernet 0, ang basis mo is yung 53 hosts. So from submitting table, 53 hosts, so you know, get yung first usable IP address, that will be the IP of pass Ethernet 0. Kuha mo iha?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 172.16 no? Ang sagot? $172.16.53 hosts. Ano yung first usable IP address, Miss Antolin? Tingnan mo mabuti. Ito sabihin mo na sa akin. First usable IP address.
7.192, sir. Ay, that.
Ulitin mo.
172.16.7.129.
7.1 ano?
29, sir.
129? 129 ba? 129. Okay, correct. So thank you, Miss Antolin. Next, the subnet mask, Miss Antolin. Miss Antolin, subnet mask /53/26. What is the subnet mask? Janine.
Wait po, sir.
/23.
255.255.255.0.
That's 0. /25. 53. /26. Parang mali yata. What is /26? Tignan mo sa subnetting table mo. Mayroon ka na ba? Subnet table. /25. Ano yung /25? Anong subnet mask?
Sir, ulit po.
Okay.
255.255.255.192.
192. /25. Parang sobra.
26, sir. Ay,
25. Yung 53. 53 host. 26. Yan. Okay, 26. So, 192. Okay. Correct? Default gateway. Charmaine?
NA, sir.
In A? Sure. Yung yung dyan sa ginagawa natin, wag dun sa sa mga ibang examples.
172.16.6.1.
That's 6. Ano?
That one, sir.
No. 172. That
6, sir.
16.6.
6.
Sigurado ka? Tignan mong mabuti. Tignan mo yung nasa
172.16.7.192.
192. Ano ba? 16.7 dot? 192 ba?
129, sir.
129. No? Simple lang guys. Yan. Kung dito, pass Ethernet, sa X1, di ganun din sa default gateway. So, ganun din dito, Miss Antolin. Kuha mo?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, next. Bus Ethernet 1. Miss Asiret, Susan.
Sir, 172.16.6.1.
Okay, check natin. Bus Ethernet 1 is under local area network where PC5 is belong, 197 hosts. So 197 hosts, the first usable IP is 172.16.6.1. Okay, then the subnet mask is /24. So what is /24?
Sir, 255.255.255.0.
Okay, correct. Default gateway?
Sir, 172.16.6.1.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Ms. Asiret. Next is the serial port 0 under router 3. Let's check serial port under router 3. So ano pong sagot? Ano pong sagot, guys? Wala magbo-volunteer? Sa Bonilo, tapos ka na. Miss Parucha, Jessa,
Yes, sir.
anong sagot iya dito sa serial port 0 under router 3?
Sir, 172.16.7.192.
Serial port 0 under router 3. Wala naman. Sa router 3, yung serial port 0 niya, wala. So, anong ilalagay?
NA, sir.
Correct. NA, not applicable. Not applicable, not applicable because the serial port 0 under router 3 is not connected. Okay? Walang connection. Kuha mo, Jessa? Jessa, Parucha? Okay, ha? Next, serial port 1 under router 3. Guys? Wala? Any volunteer? Wala? Pili na lang ako. Pili. Miss Mendoza. Raisa May. Charap.
Sir,
Okay. Serial port 1 under router 3. Serial port 1 under router 3 is DTE. So means you need to go to router 2, then get the last usable IP address. Okay. So what will be the IP of serial port 1 under router 3? And that is the last usable IP address under router 2. So what will be?
Sir, 172.16.7.98.
That
198.
198. Okay. Double check natin. Okay. Router 2. 172.16.7.198. 16.7.198. Okay, so what will be the subnet mask?
Hmm. 255.255.255.252.
Okay, correct. Next.
NA, sir.
Okay, correct. There is no default gateway because the connection is now is router to router, so will be the use IP address for that is the public IP address. Okay, so as you can see, guys, we derive already the data, the IP address in each port in each port, guys, all ports in each router, guys. So we did derive already. Then now we will proceed now dun sa PC or local area network. So PC1, what will be the IP address, the subnet mask, and default gateway? So PC1 is under router 1, PC1 is 110 hosts. So always remember, okay, 110. So 110, the last usable IP address will be assigned as the IP address of the PC. Then the first usable IP address, guys, will be the default gateway. Okay? So 110. So ako muna, PC1 110, the last usable IP address is 172.16.7.126. 172.16.7.126. Okay? Then the subnet mask is /110/25. So that is 255.255.255.128. Okay? Then the default gateway will be the first usable IP address. So in 110, that is 172.16.7.1. Okay? 172.16.7.1 po, guys. So that's how you will assign the IP address in each PC, guys. Okay? So, PC2, guys. Sino po? Anyone? Any volunteer? Sino po hindi natawag? Diba? Dipata. Irish. Absent? Irish Dipata? Dipata Irish? Tatlo. Irish Dipata? Dapat? Dipata Irish, absent? Dipata Irish, is it absent? Absent siya ngayong October 13 at saka 15. Dipata Irish, last call. Dipata Irish Jane, tulog sa absent. 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 Yan, usapan natin yan. Dalawang absent po. Okay. Next. Miss Orbiso Crisel. Orbiso Crisel. Absent?
Sir, wait lang po.
Okay. Sige. Ano po yung IP address under PC2? So PC2 is 973 hosts. So 973 hosts, CEDAR/22, last usable IP, and the first usable IP. Okay, so PC2 will be?
Ano po? 172.16.3.254.
254. Okay, correct. Submit mask.
255.255.252.0.
That's 0. Okay, then the default gateway.
172.16.0.1.
That's 0.1.
7 po garon, sir.
Check natin. That is, ano yun? PC? PC2. PC2 is 72.16.0.1. Okay, 16.0.1. Okay, tama. Tama kayo yan. Okay, thank you. Next, PC3. PC3. Yeah, Ms. Garcia. PC3 is, according to the topology, it's under here 484 hosts. So check yung 484 hosts.
Sir,
Okay.
Sir, 172.16.4.1.
172.16.4.1. The 4.1,
Yes. Ay,
484. This must be the last usable IP address.
yung last usable pala, sir.
Oh, ano?
Sir, 172.16.3.254.
254. Oh, may IP complete tayo dito. IP complete. Yung PC2, ano yung PC2? Mali yata yung i-type ko. Mali ito, guys. Mali yung isulat ko. 172.16. This must be 5.254. Ano? Yan o. Mali yung na-type ko. It must be 5. Okay? So, means, ano? This is?
Sir, 5.
5. Okay. Next, default gateway. Submit mas muna.
Sir, 255.255.254.0.
.254.0. So that is slash 23.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Default gateway.
Sir, 172.16.4.1.
.4.1. That is correct. Okay. 484.17.170.16.4.1. Okay. Thank you, Ms. Garcia. Next, PC4. Pagaling natin, malapit na mga alas 3. PC4. Guys. Yeah, Mr. Katunggal. Wait lang ha, PC4 is 53 hosts. So this is 53 hosts. Last usable IP address. Default gateway. Subnet mask. Okay. So what will be the IP address? .190. Subnet mask. .192. Okay. Default gateway. Okay, correct. Thank you. Last, PC5, the IP address of PC5. Yeah, Mr. Amansek. PC5 is 197. So based on the subnetting table, 197. So this will be the last usable IP address, first usable address, then subnet mask. Okay. So Mr. Amansek.
172.16.6.254.
Okay. Then subnet mask.
255. .255.255.0.
Okay. Then
172.16.6.1.
6.1. Okay. So this will be the first and last usable IP address and /24. Okay. So that's how you derive yung addressing scheme, guys. Okay. So kapag gumawa kayo ng video content ninyo regarding video demonstration regarding about subnet of networks, okay, so what I will do guys, I will give you individual po, meron po kayong ako ibibigay sa inyong network topology. Different po kayo, isa-isa po kayo guys, individual. Tapos you need to demonstrate guys how you derive yung BLSM submitting table. So lahat yan from the scratch hanggang matapos. So that will be the content of your video. Kailangan every items you need to explain po guys para hindi na po bumalik. Then ganito rin po sa addressing scheme. Okay, you need to explain where did you get yung IP address. Okay, yung subnet mask and default gateway in each port and all PC. Then last is last explanation ng video content mo is here, the last part po guys. Okay, so that's how we will submit a network po guys. Yan, subnet of networks. So do you have any questions? Naintindihan po kung paano na-derive guys, kung paano nakuha? Paano na-identify yung IP address? Yes, Mr. Mahmoud.
Sir, tanong ko lang, saan ulit nakuha yung 2 dun sa may, sa may table?
Saan?
Yan, sir, yung 3 to na yan. Saan po
Yung
nakuha?
3 okay, yung 3 router, there's about 2 possibility na connection yan. Yung serial port 0 and serial port 1. Sa router 2, serial port 0 and serial port 1. Serial port 0 and serial port 1. Kaya 2, 2, 2.
Okay po, sir.
Okay, nakuha?
Sige po,
Kaya, pero yung first 2 mo, yun yung router 1 na represent. Router 1, router 2, router 2. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Another question? Yes, Mr. Pintes?
Sir, ask ko lang po sana paano po pag yung number of hosts is exact na po siya.
It's okay. Katulad nito, exact naman nito, number of hosts doon sa submitting table.
Apo.
Di ba? O, exact na yan. Di yan po.
Hindi na po mag-adjust yan, sir. As is na po yan, sir.
At is na yan. Ah. Yun na
Okay.
yun.
Thank you.
Yes. Ano pa, guys?
Sir, yung yung NA doon sa isang table, sir. Paano na ulit yun, sir? Kapag may...
Saan banda? Saan banda?
Diyan, sir, kunwari yung SE 0.0, ay 0/0/0. Yung default gateway niya, sir, NA. Bakit po NA yung...
Dito, default gateway?
Sir.
Yung serial port kasi, guys, ito po, ha? Yung serial port, yung connection, this area. This area, guys, kapag router to router nang nag-uusap, hindi na gateway yung ginagamit. Public IP address na. Kaya tignan po ninyo, yung router ninyo, guys, sa bahay, then you are connecting to other networks, another router. Ang tignan nyo ang may naka-assign na public IP address. If you are my student last semester, guys, di ba pinag-aralan natin what is public IP address and private IP address. Okay? So yung connections na yan, from DTE to DCE, walang gateway dyan, walang default gateway. Ang tawag doon is public IP address. Nakuha po, guys? Yung gateway lang po, guys, dito. Okay, yung gateway is nasa loob siya ng router so that it will connect yung subnetwork to another subnetwork connected to one router po, guys. Yun po yung default gateway. Okay? Kuha po.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Next, may question pa. Sige, magtanong kayo, guys. Habang at least maganda yan para mag-clarify po lahat. Wala na? Wala na po, guys. Okay, so far wala na. Okay, so kindly open your cam, guys, so that we will have our screenshot attendance for today. Then after that, we will have our roll call attendance. Yan, extend tayo ng mga 10 minutes. Okay, pasensya na yun, nalita ko kanina kasi galing ako sa school around 3:40 na, at 12:40 na ako umalis. Pagkatapos, may kailan pa ako na malingki. Tapos pagdating ko, wala pa kayo. Tatatpo pa lang, kaya nag-lunch muna ako. Okay. Okay. So, open your cam. Lahat na po napirmahan na po guys yung inyong mga activities. Ha? Sino hindi pa po napirmahan? Yung mga hindi pa po napirmahan, tomorrow na sa school ako, 8 to 5. Kaya pwede pa kayo mabol kasi habang hindi pa po nag-to-close or hindi pa close yung submission ng doon sa Orange app, pwede pa kayo humabol po magpapirma. Okay, especially yung mga binalik ko na handwritten po yung kanilang name. Okay? So, may chance pa kayo until tomorrow kung hindi deadline ngayon. Kung deadline sa 17 pa or sa bukas ng hapon, pwede pa kayo humabol. Okay? So, that's it po guys. So, open your cam. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Tapos na rin kayo nag-quiz, di ba guys? Tapos na yung quiz ninyo?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yung midterm quiz number 1. Okay. Your midterm quiz number 2, guys, is... Ano ba yun to? Block B ito, right? Block B kayo, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so GMeet. GMeet October 15, 2025. Pasensya na kayo guys, ginagrab ko na lang yung mga time na pwede pa tayo mag-online kasi after the exam, I think mga iba dyan busy na sa IT week. Then yung iba busy sa preparation for foundation week. Kaya habang may time na mamimit ko kay lahat po sa online, gagawin ko na para i-discuss na yung dapat i-discuss. Okay? But again, sa Block B naman, your schedule, every Thursday is asynchronous naman tayo. Okay? So this coming Monday, guys, nag-quiz na kayo. Then, check ko nga, extension lang tayo ng konti, guys. Saglit lang. So, mayroon pa ba kayong pending na deadline? Wala na. Okay. So, this coming Monday, pwede ba tayong mag-meet ng Monday? Wala. Tomorrow. Tomorrow, guys, mag-meet po tayo para sa distribution ng IP address for doon sa VLAN configuration at saka grades. Nakuha nyo ng grades nyo?
Sir,
Hindi pa? Okay. So, grades. No. Sige, ganito na lang. By tomorrow, distribution ng grades lang muna. Okay? Meet me guys at distribution ng grade kasi may schedule tayo 2 to 3. Okay? So meet me guys to get your grades sa prelim. Pagkatapos yung mga naghahabol for checking po, pwede rin po. Then by next week, 10:30 to 11:30 guys, is kunin po ninyo yung hard copy regarding about your IP configuration doon sa VLAN configuration guys. Okay? So, ang gagawin na lang po ninyo, magbibigay po ko ng scenario, okay, regarding a certain network. Then, ang gagawin nyo na lang po guys is to demonstrate how you will design yung VLAN niya with trunk port. So, you need to explain. So, trunk port lang, wala na access port para mas shorter po yung video na gagawin po ninyo for your course output number 1. Okay? Then, yung submitting table, ibibigay ko rin po guys, yung individual network diagram ninyo this next week po by 10:30 guys. So, ang gawin na lang natin, it's okay na isa lang po yung yung kukuha sa akin. Pagkatapos siya na lang yung mag-distribute. Pero make it sure na makuha nyo ng Wednesday kasi you need to pass it following day, Thursday. So sino po ang available na kaya pong kunin yung responsibility? Yung pag-distribute pagkatapos receive ulit, pag-collect. Sino ba ang pwede kong maasahan dito? Any volunteer po?